Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about PCOS, also known as polycystic ovarian syndrome. If you are dealing with PCOS, you know how challenging it can be. But don't worry, we have got some unconventional yet effective strategies to help you out. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about inositol supplements, specifically myoinositol and D-chiro-inositol. These naturally occurring compounds can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and ovarian functions like ovulation frequency and egg quality. Research shows they can help regulate menstrual cycles and reduce PCOS symptoms. Pretty cool, right? But make sure to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Next, we have acupuncture. The Asian practice can help balance your hormones by stimulating specific points in your body. Studies indicate it can improve menstrual regularity and lower androgen levels. If you are not afraid of needles, this might be worth a try. Next, mind-body techniques. Mind-body techniques are practices that focus on interaction among brain, mind, body, and behavior. It can be a game changer to manage stress, which is crucial since stress can make PCOS worse. For more details, you can watch my previous video. Next, or fourth one, functional medicine approach. A functional medicine approach involves comprehensive method to identify specific imbalances in hormones, nutrients, and gut health. This personalized method targets the root cause of PCOS. Customized supplementation based on these tests can be incredibly effective, like vitamin D, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acid. Fifth one, intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity and promote weight loss, which is beneficial for managing PCOS. It can also help regulate your hormones and reduce androgen levels, which is ultimately a base of PCOS symptoms. Remember, it's important to ease into fasting and find a routine that works best for you. Herbal remedies. Herbal remedies like spearmint tea and vitex, also known as just berry, can help. Spearmint tea has been shown to reduce androgen levels and hysterism, which is very problematic symptom, while vitex can balance hormones and improve menstrual regularity, which is our ultimately goal. Next, cold therapy. Cold therapy such as cryotherapy or cold showers can boost your metabolic rate, reduce inflammation, aiding in weight management and insulin sensitivity. It can be very helpful in managing PCOS. Eighth and next one, gut health optimization. Optimizing gut health with prebiotics and probiotics is crucial. A healthy gut microbe can influence hormonal balance and insulin sensitivity. Lastly, digital health tools like apps and wearables can help you track your menstrual cycles, monitor symptoms, and manage lifestyle changes. Apps like Clue or Flow and wearables like Fitbit provide valuable insights and help you stay consistent. And there you have it. Unique and effective ways to manage PCOS. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it might take some time to find out what works best for you. Be patient and stay positive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and guidance. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.